how to change audio language in YouTube videos. So a very quick tutorial. If you like this video, click the subscribe button and that bell icon on so you will be updated if there are new uploads here. Alright, so let us go to our YouTube app in our phone. Okay, so we are here on our phone's YouTube, and as you can see I have a Mr. Beast video right here for the tutorial. So what you need to do is click on that gear icon and go to audio track, and in here you can see that there are a lot of options for you to choose for you to understand the video. So, and another one is if it doesn't have that feature, you can always turn on the closed captions or that CC button up above, where you can also go back here in the captions and choose a certain language for the caption. So I hope this tutorial helped you, and see you on the next video.